About this item description: replace a damaged trackpad for MacBook Pro 15 unibody, mid-2009 mid-2012, with model A1286 and restore the touch sensitivity of your laptop with this part. Unique: we offer a kit with the 100% new trackpad and trackpad flex cable together for your convenience. Compatibility: fit for MacBook Pro 15 unibody, mid-2009 mid-2012, A1286. MacBook Pro 5,3 mid-2009 MB985LL/A MB986LL/A, MacBook Pro 5,4 mid-2009 MC118LL/A, MacBook Pro 6,2 mid-2010 MC371LL/A, MC372LL/A, MC373LL/A, MacBook Pro 8,2 early 2011, MC721LL/A, MC723LL/A, MacBook Pro 8,2 late 2011, MD318LL/A, MD322LL/A, MacBook Pro 9,1 mid-2012, MD103LL/A, MD104LL/A, identifying numbers: PPN, 821-0832A, 821-1255A, APN, 922-9035, 922-9306, 922-9749. Function: seamlessly works just like your old trackpad. Smooth, easy scrolling, 3 and 4 finger swipe, double tap, reliable, easy clicking. In the description.